Sack anime, and I thought it would be fun to go ahead and record my process and share that with you guys. Move these out of the way so that we have a block of clay, have wire, Mughal piece. A small one instead. I'm gonna stick them on the cheeks. The head. And I just roll them in. And we're just gonna attach it to the side. Just gonna attach that on. There we go. Echo has joined me in the office. The head of the Mughal. Very carefully though. And then we're gonna insert the ball. Like, he's not painted yet, but he looks great.